Hi Stampers, my name is Sandy Hancock. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I want to welcome you to Utterly Awesome Stamping. Today I'm going to be showing you some projects and cards, gift cards, that are made with the Tag Buffet Project Kit. So there are 30 tags, 6 designs, 5 of each design. And let me put the camera down and I'll show you the set and the kit. So the kit looks like this. It's absolutely everything you need. It includes the pretty gold cord that is going to be at the top of each tag. The only thing you're going to need to add to it will be a green pad, a real red pad, dimensionals, and regular adhesive. Now, also you would need to add the Tag Buffet kit if you want to use the specific greetings that they use. These fit perfectly in the tags, but you may have some greetings that you think would work well. Merry Christmas, 'tis the season, with love for you. So I do really like these, so you can consider if you want to try to add your own greetings or if you want to use these tags, which are gorgeous. Okay, so let's talk about how to get organized. Each tag has a beautiful set of cards that are designer cards. So you get the beautiful background, then you get a white card of some type of design, then you get the actual punch out that's going to be the focal point, then you get a tag. And the way they come, they are all perforated and they come in sheets like this. So you can see, okay, so I've punched out the tags, I've punched out all of the designs except for these last ones because I wanted you to see this is 4. And you can punch out 4 at a time. Don't feel like you have to just punch out 1 at a time. That would take forever and you don't need to do that. Okay, so what you're going to do is make 6 stacks. You're going to have a stack for each color and each design, and it'll include everything that you're going to need to make that specific tag. Now, what I'm going to do is, just for today, I'm just going to stamp the tags that I need today, but normally if I were going to do this project and keep them all myself, I would put out all my tags and stamp all 6 for this set, all 6 for this set, all 6 for this set, and then I'll be ready to just put them together. Okay, so let's start with the Merry Christmas. And I will say, anytime I have a new stamp set, I like to go ahead and practice just on a random piece of cardstock, just to make sure that there's nothing I need to know about that stamp, that it's going to stamp just exactly like I want it to. So there's a really beautiful Merry Christmas. And then we'll do it again, because there are 2 of these tags that use the Merry Christmas. Okay, so we'll put the Merry Christmas away. Now I'm going to pull out 'Tis the Season, and that's going to go on. So again, I would do this. Okay, so 'Tis the Season is going to go on to the cardinal. Very nice. And it's going to go on to the stocking. All right, excellent. Okay, now I'm going to take the time to close this pad, open my Real Red. I don't know, if you're like me, I can get myself into such trouble if I don't take the time to close a pad. I've done all kinds of crazy things. I've dropped my card in the pad, of course not until I'm done with it, right? Or I've gotten my fingers in the pad. Okay, now I've already stamped this, but we'll just check it one more time. Okay, so with love for you, and this is going to go for the pretty holly and for the Christmas tree. Okay, there we go. And again, we're going to take the time to close the pad. All right, so now let me show you how to assemble these. You have a choice when you start putting these together. You can center the white right in the middle so that you have some cardstock showing all the way around, or you can pull it up to the top so that the holes are exactly on top of one another, and that is the way they show it in the kit. But personally, I like to see a little bit of this beautiful printed card all the way around. So I'll show you how we can do the tag that way. Okay, so that's the first thing we're going to do is just adhere the white, and I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to center it. Then I've already put on dimensionals to the backs of these because it is not that interesting to watch people put on dimensionals. Okay, so this is going to go, let's see, I don't know if it matters which way it goes. It's going to go like that. And then I'm just going to put With Love for You right in the center. So here's what we've got so far. Pretty quick, right? Simple. Okay, now I've got 12 inches because that's what it tells you. Cut 12 inches of the gold cord. And I'm going to fold it in half. And the folded end is what I'm going to put through first. Of course, if your circles were exactly over each other, it would be even easier, but this isn't really that hard. Okay, so here's what we've got. Now I'm going to take the loose ends of the cord, I'm going to stick them through the other end and pull it. Ta-da! Okay, pretty simple, right? Okay, so let's just keep going. You're going to see that these are so easy to put together. And really, you wouldn't have to be in a hurry putting these together. I'm just trying to show you that they do go together very quickly if you did want to do it quickly. But if you were doing this together as a family, then I think that you'd be lollygagging and you'd just be having fun doing it. I'm going to put this one on at an angle. Oops, I have an extra card. Okay. And you don't really need to see me put the gold thread on each one, I don't think. Okay, so here we go. This is number 3. So really, once you get yourself organized, it really is something that you can just kind of fly through. But like I said, it would probably be more fun to not fly through it. Have a friend over to do this with. And let's see, I'm going to put this one straight. I'm looking to see what I did the first time because I don't like to recreate the wheel. I'm just checking to see if I did it like the tag kit suggested or if I decided that I wanted to do it a little differently. Okay, so all right, so each time I'm centering, and occasionally I forget to pop out the little circle, but that's not a big deal. Okie dokie, so we'll take off the backings of the dimensionals. Love this tree, so pretty. And then the With Love for You is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and we're going to put this one on at a little bit of an angle. Okay. Beautiful. 4 down. All right, here we go. Now we're going to do the cardinal. So once again, we'll just add the white right to the tag. The cardinal is going to go on at a bit of an angle. And kind of like that to leave room for the 'Tis the Season. And this one is going to go on there straight too. Okay, so here's this one. Beautiful. And the last one is going to be the beautiful bulb. And the designer paper on this one. They're all so pretty. And because they're a little bit on the larger side, like I said earlier, they make such a statement when they're attached to a gift. At least they're going to. This is the first year we've had this particular kit. So I'm really excited and looking forward. Hey, that's a little extra that I don't want on there. The back of a dimensional. Let's try that again. Yeah, I had already stamped that. Okay, so we're going to put this one on straight, like that. There you go. Okay, so let me show you again what they look like with the tags. I mean with the pretty gold ribbon. So these are really, really fun. So if you've enjoyed this video, then be sure to subscribe on YouTube to my channel. All of the details for these with individual pictures and numbers and how to order them are on my blog today. So please stop by, and I will look forward to having you back next time. Thank you for joining me.